Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the side box to the Unicorn bike. Yesterday I purchased this studs cruiser box. It came with all the clamps included. It costed me around 1200 rupees in the local market. I tried to fix this. I really struggled a lot, but in the end I could not succeed. I'm sort of a DIY guy, but I couldn't figure out the way to fix it. So I went to the local mechanic shop and got it fixed. It seemed easy, but I didn't know it earlier. The videos I reviewed, they didn't give me up to mark information, so I thought of doing this video to help you fix this. Keep watching. Actually, this cruiser box has 3 supporting bolts in the back. 2 are in the front, as you can see. This is the lower support, this is the upper support. On the behind side you have only 1, so altogether it supports on 3 bolts. So I'll show you how I got this support. The rear one, the support came from this handlebar. It's a straight elbow with the extended straight plate. Okay, on the front side this upper support came from here, as you can see. The front upper support, the nut that is situated beneath this rod, the main frame rod. So to access it we have to remove the side panel completely. It's a bit tedious thing, but we had to remove it. There's no other go. So we took a single loop clamp and fixed it. See, on this front one is a straight single strip, just with a loop, only one piece. Here it's only one piece. Here we used 2 pieces, one L piece, one straight plate piece. And the bottom support, just see here. At the bottom support we got a loop around this frame. After that, just a single bent plate. It gives support on this. So all these 3 we could do it in 5 minutes, but only little problem was we had to cut this frame a bit to ride this along. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video.